Meeting is one of the most important things for digital agency. Today we'll have a look how you can create different different type of meeting with Doplac.com. So create an event type under meeting booking. To create a new meeting type, just click on create meeting type. Give your meeting type a name. So I'm gonna choose my meeting type name. When you're done with name, then here it is your meeting URL. You can customize the URL if you want to, but I'm not going to customize it. When you're done with meeting name and URL, then choose your meeting description. Make sure when you are writing your description, keep it under 220 character. So I'm going to write my meeting description at this moment. Okay, I'm done with my meeting description. Then I'm going to choose my meeting host. When you are creating your meeting from your account, it's default, it will choose the account you are creating the meeting with. And if you want to change it, then you can invite any of your team member to be a host. So I'm not going to invite any of my team member. I'm going to continue with my account. Okay. And if you want to allow the invitee to add guest, then you can allow from here. Okay. After that, choose your host designation, and when you're done with designation, so you have 3 different time duration here. You can choose whatever you want. So I'm going to continue with 15 minutes. After that, choose your communication tools. At this moment, I'm going to continue with Google Meet. So when you are choosing Google Meet, it's normally will choose the account at this moment you are signed in with Doplac.com. If you want to change it, right after, just click on connect another Meet account, then you would be able to change your Meet account. So when you're done with all the things, just click on save and continue. Make sure recheck it before clicking save and continue. And after that, choose your availability, which days or which time between you will be available for the meeting type. So you can choose whatever you are comfortable with. I'm not going to change anything else. When you are done with your timing, then just choose your time zone and then click on save and continue. So here it is, my event type is ready. So if you want to share this event type with your client to book a meeting with you, then just copy the URL from here and share it with your client. And when your client will land, they would be able to book a meeting with you. As I'm seeing here, this is the calendar of Mansoor, and now I'm gonna book a meeting with Mansoor on 16th of July and at 9:30 a.m. So I'm gonna just click and continue. Now, as an example, I'm actually acting as a client. So I'm gonna provide my email address. This is the thing your client have to provide if he or she want to book a meeting with you using the link you have shared. Okay. When your client will fill up all the things, fill up his name and email address, and will click on schedule event. At the same time, a meeting will be confirmed on your Doplac dashboard, and an email will be sent to your client that a meeting has been confirmed. Okay. So now you can go back to your Doplac dashboard and check it out that is it confirmed or not. Click on just booking, and here it is, 16th of July. We have a meeting with Mansoor Hall. So this is the very simple way you can create a meeting, and you can share it with your client with Doplac.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.